Hi guys and gals, and welcome to another video. This is the result for today. 3 trades, 1 big win on YM and 2 losses on 6B for a total of $138.96. There were 2 missed trades. One was 6A. First of all, I just wanted to show what happened in that trade that was in yesterday's video. I eventually got filled, got stopped right at the low, and then you can see for yourself what happened after that, but c'est la vie. And then 6B, I had 2 longs, one here. Maybe I shouldn't have taken the second one, but I tried again and lost. And I've since skipped short at 545. I just didn't feel it was strong enough, and it's currently an R in favor. 6C, nothing to write home about there. Potential long at 55, but I didn't think that was good enough either. That went 2R in favor and then rolled over, so I very well may have got a full stop out on that one. And then YM short from 534 and out at 479 for 5.5 times my risk, 5.5 R. The target was at 67, which would have been obviously 1.2 R more, but I couldn't hold on any longer. As it was difficult because when price moves quickly in my favor, for whatever reason, I tend to get nervous. Strangely enough, because it can whip back just as quickly as it dropped. You know, usually at exhaustion points, things move quickly in one direction and then rebound, retrace back in the other direction. So that was in the back of my mind, but I held on. These candles are 5-minute candles, so they don't tell a big story, but as you're watching them unfold, you can see what's going on intra-candle. So I was watching the time and sales, or the ladder. I was looking at the dome and watching the back and forth, and you know, when buyers lifted price and when sellers lowered price, and the little games that go on level 2. Even if actually I really do need to brush up my level 2 game and make it official. So if you do have any resources that you think are a good point for someone who wants to get a base knowledge of level 2, then please do leave that in the comment section below. And in any case, I was doing it my style, intuitively, watching the time and sales and level 2, and then eventually moved the stop here. It just pipped me. If I probably drop to the 1-minute chart, we will see that, well no, it did go over a bit, but or perhaps if I drop to a second chart, like 30 seconds or something, we might be able to see. I think I just got taken out to the tick by the looks of things, so let's see. I'll just pause the video. No, I did. It did go over that price by 3 ticks and then proceeded to fall away to targets. So that's not really important in any case, but just for the sake of playing games. Where's the thing gone? Just a second. Okay, yeah, so took it off 1.2 R earlier than the target. It of course did drop off even more. And one thing I've been thinking about lately is the difference between patterns and setups. I think what was holding me back before was the reliance on patterns such as the momentum reversal, and less on setups, which the distinction I make is a setup is just like a level and a reaction to that level rather than a hardcore price formation. I think that's a crutch, really. You know, different patterns. On a small time frame, I don't think patterns are helpful. I think setups are more reliable. And then on a larger time frame, I do use patterns. I think patterns are good for showing direction and bias, but not great for timing. For timing, we need setups. That's just my 2 cents. So looking at the 30-minute, you'll see what I was watching. and basically I made yesterday's gains, large gains on the move up from here. Let me just get the pen. On the move up from here. So why was I looking long here? Because we had a pattern which is a three-wave correction. It's difficult to see here, but once you train your eyes to patterns, you can see it. And that's why I was confident in a outsized or a multiple R move this way. And I took it off at 24. And then today we were under this pattern, under the appendix, coming in to this level here. And so that's why I felt confident holding for, that looks very dubious indeed, but holding for a multiple R move this way. And quite frankly, you have got this support level here, but I would be looking, if I were playing longer term, I'd be looking for this to break and get back down to at least 20, however you read this, 356, 2356 down here is what I'd be looking for now after some consolidation here, which may last a day or may last, of course it may not happen, but the point is I'm expecting this support to break now because of what happened with this pattern. So I keep patterns on the higher time frame and setups on the lower time frame. That's what I did last year, and that's what's helped me make some progress. So that's it for today. I'm not sure about tomorrow, about hours and market liquidity, as it's Good Friday. So I'll see if Top Step Trader allow you to trade, and if indeed I want to trade tomorrow, and be back at it then. So take care and see you in the next video.